Next up is probably the most important digital asset, especially if you're new to the Arduino environment. It is the Arduino Code and Hardware Fundamentals book, and you can download the encrypted book. Now it will open and you need to put in a password. The password can be found inside of here. The aim of this book is to build your confidence, so by the end of it, you'll feel great about moving on to making your own projects using the skills that you've learned. I've printed mine out, and as you can see, it is absolutely packed with diagrams and lessons and example code and all kinds of goodness. Let's just scan through some of the pages here so you can get a feel for how it looks. Different information about electronics here, building your first circuit, writing your first code. Lesson 2, we're up to pull-up resistors and pull-down resistors. Lesson 3, we got the toggle switch. Lesson 4, we move on to analog inputs, where we're using a potentiometer to change the brightness of an LED. Talking about pulse width modulation and duty cycles and analog read. It also talks a little bit about binary. Now, you don't need to know binary to code, but it's certainly useful. Lesson 5, the piezo piano. Lesson 6, we make some cool light patterns where the LEDs are bouncing backwards and forwards like this. We've got a much more complex circuit going on in this lesson. And by lesson 8, you're making the robo piano, a piano that teaches you how to play music. It challenges you to do so in a way that's like playing a game. So all of the code from the book you can access from here as well, but also some extra code for other projects. And underneath here, there are some cool 3D printable accessories, but we'll talk about them in a separate video. All right, that's about it. Bye.